Our health is the most precious thing we have, and we know that looking after it is important. That's why more and more people are using self-check kits at home. We've always had home pregnancy tests, and during COVID, home tests became pretty much routine. Now people are discovering the benefits of a growing range of tests you can do at home. A simple self-test kit offers convenience, privacy, reassurance, and sometimes life-saving early detection of health problems. It doesn't replace going to the doctor, but it supports the ways in which you can be better informed and look after yourself. However, there are a lot of home test kits on the market, and it's essential to choose carefully. SELFCHECK is an established and trusted British brand of self-testing kits, fully compliant with all stringent regulatory procedures. The kits are assembled at manufacturing labs here in the UK by clinical diagnostics experts JR Biomedical. This leading biotech company develops and manufactures tests for intensive care and hospital laboratories.
Good afternoon, JR Biomedical.
They understand the science behind the tests and the importance of prompt, dependable customer service.
Didn't have enough blood, okay.
The tests are simple to use, with easy-to-follow instructions and reliable results available in minutes at home. They are designed to be used by ordinary people and are regulated in exactly the same way as hospital tests. Kits are widely available from major UK retailers and many independent pharmacies, and the range is constantly growing, including tests for coeliac disease, prostate health, thyroid, cholesterol, anaemia, and bowel cancer. So if you are concerned about your health, or you simply want to be better informed, don't leave it. Be a partner in your own healthcare. Look after yourself with SELFCHECK.